Hello everyone. In this session, we'll see a question on numerical methods from Civil 2015. So it says the quadratic equation given is to be followed numerically starting with the initial guess of x naught equal to 3. So this is the initial value, this is the function value, and Newton-Raphson method is applied once to get the new estimate, and then the second method is applied once using the new guess value, the estimated value after the application of second method. That means for this equation, first we will apply Newton-Raphson method, we will find a new estimate, and then we will apply second method, and for which we will find the new estimate again. So that will be the second estimate, and we have to consider the initial value to be x naught equal to 3. So now if you have to apply Newton-Raphson method, the formula is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn, right? So x naught is given, that means we have to find x1. So x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. What is this f of x? F of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. So what is f dash of x? This becomes 2x minus 4. So f of 3 becomes 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 4, which will be 1, and f dash of 3 will be 2 into 3 minus 4, so 6 minus 4 is 2, and of course x naught is already given. I'll write it here. X naught is equal to 3, which means this is going to be 3 minus f of x naught is 1 by f dash of x naught, which is 2. So this becomes 5 by 2. This is x1, right? So this is our first estimate after applying Newton-Raphson method. Now again we have to check for second method and find the new estimate. So second iteration is second method. These are nonlinear equations, so the best option was, anyways it is already mentioned, to apply Newton-Raphson first. So x1 is equal to 5 by 2. Then what is f of x1? This is going to be 5 by 2 square minus 4 into 5 by 2 plus 4, and this comes out to be 1 by 4. So we need to find x2, and as per second method it is going to be f of x1 into x1 x naught minus f of x naught into x1 divided by f of x1 minus f of x naught, right? We have all these values. F of x1 is 1 by 4, x naught is in 3, f of x naught is 1, and x1 is 5 by 2, divided by f of x1 is 1 by 4 minus, what is this, f of x naught, which is 1. So this comes out to be 7 by 3, and this is our new estimate we are looking for, x2. So this is done applying Newton-Raphson and then second method.